Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech It's Simple. Today I'll be helping you learn how to log out of FlipGrid. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started by clicking open a web browser and typing the URL flipgrid.com. President Tony Q. Boyd and you'll end up in the official website of FlipGrid. Click on the login button at the upper right. If you're not logged into your account, first make sure you click on any one option. In order to log in, let me click on the Google Login option. Choose your account in the pop-up window once you end up in the discussion tab of FlipGrid. Now as you log out of your account, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go and click on the emoji icon at the top right next to Help from the expanded menu. Click on the Logout button. And soon after you do that you'll be logged out of your FlipGrid account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.